Okay, this is a quick video tutorial on how to upload a video file, or it actually could be an audio file as well, from your iPad, something you've created on your iPad, onto Ensemble. So Ensemble is the media streaming server that we have at Fisher, and so you may or may not have used this in the past, but I'm going to show you how to do it if you haven't done it before. So I'm just going to open up Safari, and in Safari you can see in the URL at the top here, you don't have to worry about this last part. But really, if you just go here, https://ensembleweb.sjfc.edu, it will bring you to this page. This link is also in the portal, so actually I can show you that. If you go in to the portal page and log in there, on the left-hand side, it's not necessarily just in this Launchpad, but if you go a little further down under Applications, you will also see Ensemble right on the left here. So we could click on Ensemble. That'll take you to the same spot. So either way, whichever you want to do, but get to this Ensemble page, and then again, go ahead and log in. Okay. And this is going to show you your Ensemble media library, so anything that you've previously uploaded. But right from here, basically, you can upload a file manually, again, that you've created somewhere. So if you go to Add, and now I can give it a title. So this is what I just did was a iMovie example video. So I'm just going to call it that. I can go through and put way more details if I want to. I don't have to. I'm just going to go to Continue. And then you get to this upload page. So what first I need to do is just click this Add File, and then choose where do I want to pull this file from. So again, this is one I just created in iMovie. When I was done with the project, I saved the video to my photo roll. So now it's in my photo library, so I can click on that. I can go to All, and it's this last 1 minute one here at the bottom, so I can check that off and hit Done. This is the video I want. It just gives you like a little preview, but I can just say Use. And so it's gonna compress the video. Second. Okay, and now it's going to put it in this list here. Now this is the trick. Sometimes I find people do that step, they hit add file, and then they just sit here and it just keeps saying 0%, 0%. Well, there's another little button here. You have to actually hit start upload. Okay, so it may not be super intuitive. You think you've already started the upload, but you didn't. So add the file first, then start the upload. Now I can see there's an actual video file here. Now it's still waiting for conversion, meaning it's actually compressing it in a way that's going to play back best for this environment. But I can now at least move past. It's already uploaded enough that I can move past this screen. So I can hit continue. It's going to take me through some other steps here. Do I want to move it into a playlist or other things? But really, I'm just going to skip all that for now, and I'm just going to say publish. If I don't publish this, then the link that I share wouldn't work when I send it to others. But once I choose publish, now you can see I've got my iMovie example video here in my library. It is published, and it's still converting it. So that still means that I can't actually get the link to send to anyone else. I got to let Ensemble kind of do its thing. But if I just scroll down a little further here and I show you a different one, when I click on one of these below, oops, I need to go down to this one. When I click on like this one below from 7/22, this is a recording that has already been published and is ready, is fully converted. You'll see just below it here, you get a link for a permalink. That permalink is what you want. So this is the link here. You can copy that link. This would be what I would post in Blackboard somewhere. So I'm just going to copy that. Now, I could use this as a web link in Blackboard if I wanted to post it. I could post it into a discussion board. I could send this link out in an email. I can do whatever I need to do with that link, basically. But that link will then allow anyone I send it to view the video. Okay? So that is using Ensemble. And see now mine at the top here, I just had to let it process kind of, that long. Now remember, this was only a 1 minute video, so it went pretty quick. But now my permalink is available for this one. So again, then I could post that in Blackboard. I could send it through an email, whatever I might need to do. But that is how to use Ensemble on your iPad to host your videos so that you don't have to upload them to a place like Blackboard or somewhere else. But you can still send them out. You can embed them in a Blackboard course. You could do a whole variety of things with them. All right. Thanks for watching.